Hi and welcome to GoldenEgg. My name is Karen and I'm glad to have you here. At GoldenEgg, our mission is to empower individuals and businesses for innovative technology solutions. Whether you're interested in app development, cybersecurity, or learning the latest in computer science or data science, this channel is something for you. We are committed to provide high quality and engaging, informative content that helps your everyday life and helps you stay ahead in a fast changing tech world. Here you will find tutorials and insight that make technology fun and accessible. We are all about ethical practices, exercises, and creativity. Doesn't matter if you want to learn to code, if you want to learn data science, if you want to learn to protect your data or your computer, or if you just want to know which of the tech gadgets is really good, because we're going to make a lot of reviews too. That's the place for you. From beginners to advanced, everyone is welcome. We'll explore everything from coding to advanced cybersecurity techniques and innovative app solutions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Join us on our exciting journey into the tech world. Thanks for watching and welcome to the GoldenEgg community.